Today we're checking out the Red Rock utility rail system for the 2020 and newer Jeep Gladiator JTs. This utility rail system is a great option for Gladiator owners looking to expand their truck bed's functionality with a rugged, modular solution for hauling gear and accessories. The standout feature of this utility rail system is its versatile design that allows for a wide range of configurations. No matter what gear you're hauling, whether it's camping equipment, overlanding gear, or stuff for work, the rail systems provide multiple tie-down points that make it easier to keep everything organized and firmly in place during travel. Designed to integrate with the Gladiator's factory bed layout, this system enhances the bed's usability without compromising space or structure. It's especially useful for those who regularly haul things in their bed that need extra security with tie-down points, thanks to the added flexibility with these mounting options. Each rail features a slotted channel system that works well with a variety of tie-down hooks, brackets, and gear mounts, and it gives you full control over where each of the 4 included tie-down points are going to be located. You can easily reposition or remove these attachments without the need to permanently modify anything, which is great for owners who frequently change up their setups based on the different needs at the time. The low-profile design also ensures that the rails don't interfere with the bed covers, tonneau systems, or any other accessories. That's going to make this a very adaptable solution whether using your Gladiator for weekend off-roading, daily driving, or just heavy-duty hauling. This Red Rock utility rail system is built from high-grade aluminum, giving you excellent strength without any unnecessary weight. It's finished in this nice matte black coating to not only add a rugged aesthetic, but also protect against corrosion, UV exposure, and abrasion. This makes it a reliable long-term upgrade that's ready to handle the elements and whatever else you might throw in the bed. As far as pricing goes on this, it's coming in right around that mid $200 price range. So for Gladiator owners looking to add compatibility and organization to their truck bed, this represents a solid value, especially given the durable build quality and the versatility it offers right out of the box. Installation on this is very straightforward, so it's getting rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you're looking at about 1 hour or less of your time to get it installed. Now, let's head on out to the shop, and they're going to give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
Tools required for this install include a 4mm Allen wrench. What's up guys? Today we're installing a utility rail system in our Gladiator, so let's get started. So we're going to start off on this front bar. We've got a push clip on each side that's going to go into the hole, and then we have 4 threaded holes that we're going to put our bolts through. So line up those 2 holes first and press that in, and then get your Allen head bolts with a flat washer that are included in the kit and thread those into your threaded holes. Now once you have all of them in, use that 4mm Allen wrench to tighten them all down. Now before we start installing our side rail, we have to come back by the tailgate and install a riv nut here. Now we already have one installed, so I'm not going to be able to show you this process, but there's a hex cutout right here. There's a hex cutout on this riv nut. So you're just going to push that in. You're going to thread in one of your bolts. And then once that's in there, you're just going to take your 4mm Allen wrench to tighten down that bolt, and you're just going to tighten it until you can't tighten it anymore. That's going to pull this down, and it's going to secure against the backside of this metal and give you a nice tight fit. So once you have that installed, we can move on to installing our rail. So now we can get our side rail into place. Once again, we've got 2 push clips here that are going to be going into the non-threaded holes. And then you can start threading in your bolts. we're going to start up front at the one that we installed the riv nut onto. And now repeat that process on the other side. So that'll wrap up this review and install of the Red Rock utility rail system for your 2020 and newer Jeep Gladiator JT. Thank you for watching. For all things Gladiator, keep it right here at extremeterrain.com.